Hello and welcome. First of all, I'd like to thank you for sparing your time to visit our virtual Broadcom Expo booth and showing your interest and learning more about what Broadcom is doing to simplify and modernize our database management for DB2 for Zero solutions, or they're often referred to DB2 tools. My name is Srinivas Adupa, and I'm a product owner on the Broadcom DB2 tools team and your host for this topic. I invite you to watch a short video we have created that introduces our Mainframe Team Center for database management for DB2 for Xeo's user interface. Once the video is complete, I'll be back to share additional information on how and when you can talk to me live and with other members of Broadcom DB2 Tools team during the first ever IDUG virtual conference.
Welcome to this Mainframe Team Center Database Management for DB2 for ZOS video. In this video, you'll see how users with any level of mainframe experience can query and analyze DB2 catalog data and obtain detailed DB2 application performance metrics from a single screen. After logging in with your mainframe username and password, the wizard bar displays. Note the Administration and Performance tabs. Let's start with the Performance tab. Select a DB2 subsystem and performance category. Next, select the current interval or specify a historical interval and click View Range. A single tab opens and displays plan information for the selected interval. Now let's look at how to obtain more data about a selected row. Choose a row and then click on Action and select an available action from the list, such as viewing the packages that belong to the plan. This initiates a breadcrumb list that grows with each action you take against a selected row. If you want to return to an earlier view, for example, you want to go back to the list of plans, simply click on Plans in the breadcrumb list. Now let's look at some of the options for configuring how the data displays. You can toggle the display between total and average values. In this example, data displays according to the average value. You can also drag and drop columns to new locations within the display and filter and sort data at the column level. To the right, you have options to apply filters globally, save table configuration changes to your local browser, and change the number of displayed rows. Now imagine that you are also interested in the user IDs that were active during the selected interval. Return to the wizard and change the performance category to User IDs. Click View Range. Another tab displays with the user ID information. You can drill into this information just as you did earlier on the Plans tab. Now let's look at the administration functionality. We can look at data on the current subsystem or select a different one. After selecting a subsystem, choose the object type that interests you. Select from a group of common DB2 objects, all DB2 objects, or objects that are specific to the administration products. Things like AutoMap Mask Set, Copy Group Set, and Compare Rule Set. In this example, we'll stick with DB2 objects, select tables, and enter filtering criteria so we select all tables created by user L. Parker. Results display in a new tab beside the tabs that contain the performance information that we were looking at previously. You can also filter the results and limit the number of displayed rows. Finally, let's select an object and choose View Object Details to obtain more information about that object. In this video, you saw how the Mainframe Team Center Database Management User Interface makes it easy to access the data you need to help you query, analyze, maintain, and manage your DB2 subsystem, all from a single, combined interface. For more information about using this interface, visit the CA Database Management Solutions for DB2 for ZOS product documentation at techdocs.broadcom.com.